Welcome to the DOMO Panel Assembly Manual. In Step 1, position parts 1 and 2 parallel to each other, then attach accessories I and F in the indicated locations. Position parts 7 and secure them with fittings I and F. Fit fitting C into the indicated locations. Position parts 5 and secure them with fittings D. Position part 6, then secure them with fittings D. In Step 2, position part 4 in the indicated location using accessory J. Finally, secure it with accessories D. Position accessory 3 and snap in accessories B. Secure accessories E in the indicated locations. And finally, snap in accessories H in the indicated locations.